We're going to be shooting a couple of guns, renting a gun, seeing how that goes. Let us know what you think. All right, headshot.
Nah.
All right, so we were walking around Range USA. I needed a new bag for my P90, and they happened to have this bundle. It was $50 for 2 P mags in this case, and it just happens to hold my P90 just fine. Take a look at that.
No recoil. There's no recoil. Of course, the Beretta was fine.
Yeah, Beretta's smooth, easy going.
Racks well.
Yeah. But we put, what, 100 rounds, 150 rounds through it, and it was still just spewing powder out of it.
I mean, it did get a little bit better later on, but when we first started putting rounds through it, yeah, there was just all this, like, powder that was just waving through the air. You could see it.
Right, yeah, definitely. It should be on the videos we took, too. Wow.
You can just shoot it.
So we just got done shooting. We ended up shooting 150 rounds through the P90, like 5 or 6 mags through the Beretta M9, and we rented a Hellion. It was really awesome to shoot. The thing is great.
It's easy to shoot in rapid fire.
Fun times. Enjoy the videos, and we'll be back again.